Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima guys and you're trying to find the fuse for the trunk release switch. Let's say your trunk release doesn't work, your trunk doesn't open with the button. We'll explain where that fuse is located. Always check it guys. And if that doesn't fix the problem, we'll have a video that explains how to replace the trunk lock actuator. That could be the problem, or the trunk switch that opens the trunk as well guys. Now you have two fuses, one inside, one outside. We'll start with the one inside and then we'll show you where they're located and how to remove and replace them if you need to do that. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan guys on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the food where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So we actually guys took a picture of the fuse box inside as we said, because practically otherwise it's impossible for it to show you guys okay where the fuses are located in a great detail, because it's such a limited room that I cannot get the camera inside. So if you look at it guys, okay, that second fuse that comes right here, 1, 2, this fuse right here, that's number 10 guys, okay, 10 amp fuse, number 2 fuse. That fuse guys is for the trunk. So never assume a fuse is good or bad guys, always test them, and we have a special video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, please check it out. Once you do that, there is one more fuse that's under that fuse box in the engine compartment, you can see right here. So that's what we're doing now. And the fuse guys that you need to find, okay, right here, okay, that's the back side of the fuse cover, okay, everything, okay, is listed right here. You can see the fuse numbers, the fuse names. So it's actually under a name that doesn't say trunk release switch, but it's a fuse that controls multiple things, and it's that fuse B+1 guys, IP B+1. So checking that fuse now, okay, let me explain. You need to come to that mega fuse. That's the mega fuse right here. It consists of 8 fuses. We'll have a video how to replace it and how to test that fuse. But it will be the second fuse, that 60 amp fuse. And you can see through the glass, okay, right here, and find out if it's good or bad. And know for sure, guys, okay, you can even test it. But I always recommend to disconnect the car battery when you're replacing that fuse as well. Most of the times you can see if it's good or bad through the glass guys. So those two fuses control the trunk release switch on your Kia Optima. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.